We'd like to introduce Stern's sensor kit for WC, which is comprised of 3 components: the sensor, the flush valve and the power source. The power source is connected directly to the sensor, and the sensor is also connected to the flush valve. The flush valve component allows for the water to either flush or not to flush. When the user is in front of the sensor for less than a minute, the sensor will activate a half flush once the user leaves the sensor range. When the user is in front of the sensor for more than a minute, the sensor will activate a full flush. Upon request, an additional feature called the wave function can be added to the sensor to activate the flush on demand. This sensor is for installations in service walls with back access. Make a hole of the appropriate size by using the installation guide as a reference. The Prox sensor should then be inserted, and from the rear side the black gasket, the metal plate and the brass O-ring should be put in place and tightened until the Prox sensor is firmly secured. Once the Prox sensor is secured in place, connect the flush valve and the power source. For installations of the Prox sensor in solid walls without back access, we have a front fixation kit. A tube is installed into the wall, making an exit channel below the faucet, urinal or WC. Place the sensor in the PVC pipe and tighten the 2 Allen screws provided. The power source should also be inserted through the tube, and the Prox sensor should then be fastened directly to the tube via the screw holes on the top and the bottom. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us at Stern anytime for more information.